Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we're going to see the implementation of UNet. It's a very simple example. This and all of you know UNet is a very familiar architecture, deep learning and conventional unit architecture, which is consist of upsampling and downsampling, or you can say it consists of two main things that is called a contracting path, another called the expanding path. The contracting path consists of layers, convolution layer and maximum layers to reduce the spatial size of the input here. And then con expanding path is there. This also consists of layers like convolution and everything used to create the segmentation map of the output like this. And moreover, these unit follow the concept of skip connections. Here we're going to see the simple example. This example we are using the data set that is PET dataset, that is PET IIT IIIT dataset, where it consists of 37 classes and each class consists of 200 images like dogs and cats here. Let's go for implementation. So I hope that you know what is unit. It's one of the familiar architecture which is generally used for binary segmentation. And also we can achieve pixel-based segmentation also. Let's go for the coding. Here initially we are installing the packages with the help of Python. That is import keras. Then all the models we are importing. Then we are going to download the dataset with the help of the line coding called exclamation wget and HTTP address. After giving this, it may give help to download the dataset. Then we are going to define the images with the help of function called image generator, where it consists of attributes like a file, a batch size and etc. Then we are writing the coding, and whenever the go for unit, we have to pre-pass the images. For this one, we are writing the coding like this. Once the raw images are pre-passed, then move for the segmentation purpose. Then we are writing the code like this, and then we are going to initializing batch equal to 32, and because the image should be in some sequence and the same size like that, and we can after batch size fixing that one, we are going to split into two things. One is called training and testing. So some of the percentage images will be go for testing, some of the percentage files go for training here. So we are writing the code like train generator is equal to image generator of train files, batch size is equal to batch size and so on. Then we are writing the code like x comma y is equal to next of train generator. Then we are writing to visualize the images, sample images. So we are writing the code like PLT axis of off, then image x is equal to x of 0. Then we are writing the code, and we are using for display purpose only, we are using the code called plt.im show. Okay, this will help to display the image. So once you give successfully show the image, some images from the classes, then we can give define mean IOU, where you can give IOU levels that give the predictions to be happen. So writing the code, then because IO is one of the metrics used for measuring the size of the image, then we are going to main thing, we are going to use the unit, we are going to define the unit where the size is 250 comma, so 256 comma, 256 comma, 3 and so on. Then we are taking the downsampling, we are writing the code, and we are writing the bottleneck, creating the bottleneck layers and upsampling layers and the classification layers, and also we are writing the model code here. And model we are writing that is unit here. Because once you understand the unit, you can understand the some other models also. So we are writing the again coding. This also helpful to download the images from the PET dataset. Then writing the code like raw is equal to image dot open up test image. So test JPG, and the information I predict the mask. For this is the one where we put display the images with the segmented, that one mask form also. That means visualize the images, then some images will come to mask also. That means mask image also. Because it at last it created segmented mask only. So we're writing the code, then we want to display the mask under segmented image. For this one, we are writing the code called combined is equal to input dot concurrent of raw comma ms comma raw multiplies msk axis code 1. So once you give like this and plot also, finally, if your coding is correct, unit will display the information. So we have successfully got the cat image, and this is a segmented image, not again cat image is coming. So the result may vary based on your collab environment. Moreover, which data set you are going to follow. So I hope that you understand today what is unit and why we need unit, how we can implement a unit for classification of a given data set. That means IIT data or IIT PET set like that. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.